Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a responsive menu bar using just CSS. We will start by building a simple navigation menu and then transform it into a fully responsive design that works beautifully on both desktops and mobile devices. Whether you are a beginner or looking to polish your CSS skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step and stick around until the end, where I'll share an important tip that will make your menu even more user-friendly. Alright, let's start by setting up the basic HTML structure for our responsive menu bar. We will keep it simple and easy to follow. First, we will create the necessary HTML elements and then I will explain how each part works. To begin, we will define the header section where our navigation bar will live. Inside the header, we will create a nav element to hold our menu items. These items will be organized using an unordered list, and each menu link will be inside a list item. With this basic setup, we have the title of our responsive menu bar. Next, we will style it with CSS to make it look great on all devices, but remember, the key tip I mentioned earlier is coming up, so don't miss it. Now, I will explain how we will style the navbar to make it look good and work well on different screen sizes. We will start by giving the whole page a clean look with the default font and removing extra space around the edges. The navbar will have a dark grey background with white text. We will align the menu items horizontally and make them change color when you hover over them. For the small screens like on mobile devices, we will add a special button called a Hamburger icon. This button will be hidden on larger screens but will appear on smaller screens. When clicked, it will reveal a full screen menu with items stacked vertically, making it easy to navigate on mobile devices. Now, let's add some JavaScript to make the hamburger menu work. Without a script, the hamburger icon won't do anything when you click it. First, we will wait until the page is fully loaded to run our script. Then we will select the hamburger button and the menu items. When you click on the hamburger button, the script will toggle a class on the menu items which will show or hide the menu. This class is what controls the menu's visibility on smaller screens, making sure it appears or disappears as needed. With this script, the hamburger icon will open and close the menu when clicked, making it functional on mobile OSs. So, I'm going to share an important tip that will make your menu even better. Instead of just doing and hiding the menu abruptly, you can add a smooth transition effect. This makes the menu appear and disappear more gracefully. All you need to do is add a few lines of CSS to transition the menu's opacity and transform properties. It's a simple trick that can really enhance the look and feel of your menu. If you would like a tutorial on adding a smooth transition to your menu, just drop a comment with the word CSS transition. I will be happy to create a video on that for you.